Muthenya munene gwĩ Kirinyaga University tondu muthi ni twarikia kuruguria project ira turahetwo uteithio ni National Research Fund. Giki ni ruhonge rwa thirikari ruheanaga mbeca cia gwaka mathukuru muno gwikira indo iria irihuthikaga guthomithia. Twi Kirinyaga University ni twandikire proposal nigetha na tugishinda mbeca icio ciari ciringi milioni 53 na ni ituhotithitie kugura macini cia Kiriu cia guthomithia arutwo aitu nigetha makirikia kuma thukuru uyu makorwo makihota kuruta wira uria kwagiriire na kuringana na uria maundu makinyite Kiriu. Ni engineering tumathomithagia mechanical, civil na electrical, ni maundu ma thitima ona gwaka ngari na maundu ta mau. Na turi oho ni macini cituragurire ni ire nyitagirira thukuru witu wa mathomo ma ugima wa mwiri muno makiria ruhonge rwa guthomithania horo macini ciegie urigitani niyo itagwo medical engineering. Ni kunyitirwo muno ni macini cia umuthi.
We really want to thank the Kenya government through the Ministry of Education and particularly through the National Research Fund for purposes of supporting our young universities to be able to get equipment that would support in our activities of engineering and mechanical engineering in particular, as well as the electrical engineering, so that we can be able to undertake activities of research, technology and innovation, as well as be able to provide for student learning in this university.
National Research Fund is one of the government agencies that was established under the Act of Parliament, that is the Science, Technology and Innovation of 2013. And the core mandate for National Research Fund is to mobilize resources for advancement of science, technology and innovation in the country. Now, as we know, we have a national development policy, that is Vision 2030, which has identified science, technology and innovation as the foundation pillar that will enable to support the development agenda in this country. And that comes about through research, and therefore the role of National Research Fund is to create a conducive environment for our researchers, both in our academia, that is universities and research institutions, so that they are in a position of carrying out research, cutting-edge research that will come up with products which then will be translated or transformed into products or services that will enable the country to grow forward both socially as well as economically.